Hello everyone. So after you are done listing products for the day, we need to make sure we do a couple of things as kind of end of the day items. So I will kind of get into it here. So we need to get our ECom inventory spreadsheet that's within Google Docs. Need to pull that up. We need to pull up our drop shipping spreadsheet. We need to pull up ECom. And we also need to pull up App Eagle. All right. So what we need to do is everything that we listed for that day needs to be added to our ECom inventory spreadsheet. So what we're going to do is today is May the 30th. So I have listed one item today. So what I need to do is copy that, paste it, and do the same with the SKU. And the source URL. All this is the fulfillment latency, the handling time, and this is the shipping cost of those items. So now you understand why ended up adding shipping to the end of here, just because shipping's already added into here. So sometimes I kind of forget what the actual shipping cost was, so it's important to put our shipping cost at the end, because when we add it to ECom inventory, we'll know exactly what it is. So it was 0, and then obviously the initials of who added it. And the reason, so what this is this is used for ECom. So at the end of every day, we need to upload our items into ECom, because ECom will, basically how it works is that every few hours they run this source URL code, make sure that there's enough in stock, and keeps track of items that go in and out of stock. So we need to make sure we have the source URLs in there so it can do that. So what we do is we hit upload. Well, what we'll do first, sorry. So after all those items are input into there, going to go to File, Download As, come over to CSV. So when you upload items into ECom, they need to be into CSV. So now it's in the right form. So what I'll do is I'll just save it to my desktop. And then I'll go in here and put 530, ECom inventory 530, save it to my desktop. It's already saved, so I don't need to do that. All right, so on the dashboard, when we go to upload it, we'll go to Upload, choose File, and we saved it to our desktop. And then I put the day, just in case we get confused or something like that. I get confused easily, so I like to make sure I have the date on there so I know exactly which one it is. So it uploaded, or I chose the right file. Now I hit upload. And then what it's going to do is it's going to run through the categories out of that, and it actually notices that we added one item. So we hit OK. So then after we upload that, we go to our listings. Now, it's not actually going to be, I mean, it's uploaded into ECom, but it's not going to have the item name and all that stuff because ECom hasn't run the report on the item we just uploaded, so it's not going to have all this information for it yet. But that's okay. The information is in there. So what we need to do is hit download all products. Yes. So then I save this to my desktop. So this is used for App Eagle. So what App Eagle does is it readjusts the prices of our items based on if the price of that item changes from our source URL, or if competitors kind of jump ahead of us and we want to beat their prices. It constantly is adjusting those prices. So this is for App Eagle. So what I do is save as, and then I put same thing, App Eagle 530 desktop, save. And then I get out of here. It's already saved, so once again, I don't need to save it. So then I go into App Eagle, and then what I'm going to do is go to Dashboard, see price changes. It's constantly changing the price. So we're going to hit upload. And you see it's very important to do this every day. So 23, 24. This is actually, I named this 24-2 because in the morning I went and listed items. And then that afternoon I went and listed items. So I always like to make sure it's up to date. But every day I do this after I list items. So you hit upload changes, go to desktop again, and then now we're looking for the App Eagle one. So we hit AE 530, open that. It's going to ask you if that's you sure you want to upload. Okay. And then I always just wait for it to quit pending and then move forward. Sometimes it obviously takes a minute. All right, so it is uploaded. And as far as end of the day, making sure everything's up to date, you guys are good to go. So I appreciate you guys hanging with me. Obviously, like all these training modules, I would encourage you to go through multiple times and then actually do the process along with the video, so we're making sure we're doing it right, because each one of these steps is very important, and it's very important that you do every part of these steps. So thank you guys very much, and we will see you on the next one.